out with Willamette Motorsports for Autocross number 6, I think it is, at Evergreen Air and Space Museum. Just got done doing the course walk, and apparently there's a lot of first-timers out here. The event's pretty much full, so it should be pretty fun. Get some new people involved in autocross. It'd be nice. Saw a lot of cool cars. I actually saw there's 2 other Corvette C5s here today, which is kind of neat. Don't get to see too many with me, but yeah, can't wait to get on course and see what the car's gonna do. So today has been a rough day. Massive timing failure. Both the old timing system and the new timing system failed. So we're doing manual timing, which is very interesting. I've got one more run left. My line is going over there, so I should probably get in my car. So far I'm the fastest. It's all hand timing, but I'm at least a second and a half ahead of the next closest car. So and that guy is going way wide. Anyway, I'm gonna get my car and get out there. So it's been a pretty busy morning. I didn't get a chance to record much because I've been helping with timing. The 2 timing systems they had completely failed, and started doing everything manually, and eventually got everything halfway working. But I was running between trying to drive and trying to help with timing all morning. This is the afternoon session. They're about to get started on their first set of runs. I'm not running the car because I'm worried that I'm going to run out of tire for the end of the season. So I'm just going to help out for the rest of the day and watch some cars run. I don't normally get a chance to watch cars run, so it's been kind of cool to actually watch cars run. So time, I guess, get started here. Well, even with all the horrible timing issues, it was still a fairly fun event, and I'm glad I went. Ended up second fastest for the day. A single car beat me on a single run, but hey, that's racing, and it was a good driver and a good car, so it was well done. Can't wait to get out racing again, and see you at the next event. Thank you all for watching, and may your next race be your best race.